that man Thunder. Damn. Look how I got the spotlight on him. You sure? Hey, homeboy got his eye on you, Brody. Hey, he wondered about his moves. Gorilla number 2. Hey, a 3-man guard. Hey, watch our jump. Smart. How many do we have, them friends?
この前の活躍できっと出番が増えるわよね。それに。
Stop thirsting over that nigga, bruh.
お兄ちゃんも頑張ってるし。
赤木春子。
はい。
今何の時間だと思っている？
Goofy.
その数学。
派手なやつだ。
ど
こ行ってありましたんや、船頭さん。ほんますごかった。
まあね。
見てたよ。ちょっと海南のマキさんに会ったんでね。マキさんですって？
Damn, bro, your breath. Do something about that breath, dog.
マキさん言うたら県内一の要チェック人物やないですかいな。なんではよ教えてくれへんのんですか、船頭さん。意地悪。うるせえぞ、ひこ。
Of course, I'm gonna come back.
この調子です、赤木さん。
ナイスルカは。
And I feel bad for him.
なかなかやるな、ルカは。まあまあだな。ちくしょう。なんてみんなルカワって。
He golden boy right now, bro. Let him enjoy his shine.
なるほどね。ルカワか。まるで去年の仙道を見ているようだ。
Oh, now that makes sense.
ですか？
Big man. Oh yeah, they scared of him. They scared of that nigga. Oh, you jealous, nigga? You jealous?
ヤマト、もっと当たれ。まだまだ当たりが甘えぞ。もっとチェック厳しくいくぞ。少々のファールは仕方ない。
Squad. Who's this nigga? Bro, that nigga pulled up like he Hulk. Oh, he bald. Oh, he a bald head. Oh. That's a 30-year-old grown man.
後半は内藤で行く。ご苦労だった、宮本。はい。頼むぞ、内藤。湘北をぶっ潰す。おう。
Damn, nigga.
内藤の言う通り、力でぶっ潰せ。行くぞ。なんだ。
That is a grown ass nigga. He is about 40 years old, Brody. Oh, we scared.
うちの秘密兵器だ。このためにわざわざラグビー部から引き抜いた。さあ。
Oh, y'all had a pocket for that.
奴らの度肝を抜いてやれ。
Oh, okay. So he's supposed to be the Dennis Rodman of the group.
これからが勝負
The
だ。
power forward version. That makes sense.
潰してやるぜ。
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck,
Oh, they're about
man?
to say.
Get your ass on.
Oh, that's a foul.
ノーホイッスルだ。ファウルを取ってない。
Y'all out of pocket.
だ。試合はこれからだぜ。
なんや、すごいであのスキンヘッド。
Mm.
軽々と跳ね飛ばすやなんて。アンビリーバブルだな。
He knows a hit when he sees one.
気にしやがって。あんた先生が見てるぞ。やめろ、桜木。落ち着け、桜木。退場させられたいか。何でもありません。試合続行です。
そうかゴリ、やはりこの天才に頼っているのか。
Is this nigga retarded?
おめえだ。
Oh.
ざまあみろ。
I mean, he set that big ass nigga down.
またよそ見してるから。
どっちのファールだ。
オフェンスチャージング白10番。
なんで俺が。審判の人、悪いのはあいつだ。やめろ花道。
No, let him call it.
横取りなんかするなとは。
And he enjoying it too.
ナイト。待てナイト。バカ、離れるな。
He said, fuck that nigga.
4番ロマンだ。
Sheesh.
あの4番が連続タンクだ。
They got a 16-point lead.
やはり桜木の経験
Oh, 14.
ついてきたな。
こらピンチや桜木さん。
おのれ。
一発のシュートでチーム全体を乗せられてムードを掴んでこそ。
Yeah, and he scored all them dunking points, bro.
気づいていない。それが奴の甘さだ。
Oh, they're catching up. Nope. Okay, that was a one. Nah. He said, give me that!
He needs some milk.
Give me that! That nigga said, give me that! Bruh!
9番。
That nigga said, hold up, nigga! That nigga said, give me that! That nigga said, no! Bruh!
バスケット。外せ外せ。
Win.
おお、やるぜあいつ。
Yeah, they excited.
同点や。フリーに戻った。
三浦大の秘密兵器内藤のパワーの前にすっかりペースを乱されてしまった湘北。術中にはまった桜木花道は2つ目のファールを取られ、試合も振り出しに戻った。
That's a 30-year-old nigga, bro. Hey. Hey, Recall kept up the 10 with them poster dunks. That's noticeable. So Sakuragi's well, I mean, due to his experience, he's actually learning a great deal. So I can't put it past him. But what he noticed was they had this. The other team had this big ass 30-year-old bald-headed skinhead monk ass nigga. Like, dog, that's a 30-year-old nigga right there. Like, dog, that nigga played rugby so much, bro. That nigga don't know what a dunk was. Like, dog, that nigga's bro. He bummed Sakurai like it was nobody's business. Sakurai caught that shit. He called it. He's like, hey, bro, that's a foul. Like, hey, nigga, that's a fucking hit. And to match Akagi in strength on a jump ball, like, dog, he overpowered that nigga. In terms of jumping ability, they're equal, but in terms of raw strength, he had the advantage due to him playing rugby, so there's that. The crazy thing is, everybody on Rukal was nuts. Pause. Like he the next MJ and shit. And the crazy part is, when that rugby ass nigga was about to do that dunk, that nigga he came from behind. Pause again. He said, "Give me that." He said, "Automatic clamps, bro. Automatic." He says, "Give me that." He says, "Give me that shit. Just give me that." Hey, that nigga can't, bro. That nigga came from behind, pause again. Dog, he's like, give me that. Old boy's about to do that dunk. Sakuragi come from behind. He's like, give me that. He said, give me that shit, bro. Give it here. Hey. And Sakuragi knows what's up. He knows something's off about that nigga. He knows. Hey, shit's finna go down next episode. Shit finna get lit in a bitch, Brody. Just can't give me that automatic cleanse, nigga. I'm sorry, that's the one greatest thing Sakuragi's ever done. Come from behind and steal from a big man. Pause. Again. And again. Stay tuned. Automatic clamps ass nigga.